Introducing the new Water Saver Twist Pro, the most versatile water saver yet. This is the next evolution in hose nozzle technology. Its heavy-duty adjustable spray tip lets you switch effortlessly between a soft, wide-angle spray and a focused, powerful jet stream, all with a simple twist. No more swapping out attachments. Just twist, bend, and spray. Designed for every job, from delicate gardening to tough cleaning tasks. And it's built with the quality and durability you've come to expect from any lawn sprayer, making it the last hose nozzle you'll ever buy.
At Lonn Manufacturing, we make tools that you can trust to get the job done.